Hey everyone, Gloria Walker with marketingwithgloria.com. And a lot of you have been inboxing me and asking me, where have I been and what am I up to? And first, I'd like to say thank you and I appreciate all of your concern. I really, really, really am truly grateful. And so, in this quick video, I want to share with you just what I've been doing and what I've been doing for my business, okay? So, when I first started out marketing online, network marketing, direct sales, many years ago, around 2004, 2005 time frame, my intent was to be, marketing 100% fully online, okay? Because back then, I started out as a dual military service member. And what that is back then I was active duty in the Army, but I was also married to another service member, okay? So it was always a struggle trying to find an opportunity that wouldn't take me away from my family and as well as my military obligation, okay? Most of the opportunities that I had fell into, they said they were 100% online, but in actuality, they weren't. Okay, so up until this current point, like I said, it's always been a constant struggle. Okay, I didn't want to be an opportunity that always required traveling, and every opportunity I came across, I had to do that. I either had to sell and market my business away from home, or I had to go to one of those annual meetings, and I just wasn't really feeling it. I really wasn't into all that, okay? And I also didn't want to join any MLMs, that whole structure and the whole leaderboard and all that kind of stuff. I didn't want to do any of that stuff, okay? And also, like I said, I had started out as a dual military service member, but then I ended up being a single parent in the military. Okay, so, I didn't have a whole lot of, funds, a lot of money to do the shipments, buying inventory and things of that nature. Okay, and I didn't have a whole lot of money to start up. And so I was tired of coming across the opportunities where you had to take out a huge loan or whip out your credit card just to get started, okay? And so most of those opportunities, they said, okay, even though, it's going to start out, you're going to need to have X amount of money to get started, just hold tight because you're going to have this huge, big, return on your investment and blah, 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 blah. And, as a single parent, I just couldn't count on those figures, not unless it's in writing, okay? And given my history with the military, hey, I never believed anything unless I saw it in writing, okay? And so what I was really looking for was, a residual income stream, like a lot of you out there are, and something I could do 100% online that wouldn't take me away from my family because I still had my military obligation. I was still deploying and, going to the field. And so I needed something that, that was a little bit more stable than that, okay? And I was trying to find, my whole goal was to eventually walk away from my 9 to 5, which was in the military. That was my target goal, okay? And to also be set up in an opportunity that was going to, I could just eventually, I could walk away from it, without being there 24 hours, 7 days a week. So I was looking for something a little bit more automated, and that was also a struggle as well. And like I said, I was looking for something that, that didn't require a whole lot of, upfront money, something I didn't, have to take out a loan for. I just wasn't feeling that, okay? And the first couple of opportunities that I had started way back then, people were leaving left and right. Like my upline was disappearing. Our nationwide directors were leaving. It was just a high turnover rate. So I was looking for something a little bit more stable. And another thing, I was tired of feeling like a customer, even in my own upline. Okay. I was tired of being sold to. I was looking for a community where It was a sharing and a training community. Okay, I was tired of feeling like a customer, within my own opportunities. Okay, and so one day I was, on Facebook, not doing a whole lot, just scrolling through my news feed, and I came across someone that had mentioned this particular company to me, okay? And I was like, that sounds pretty interesting. And so, how we do, I wanted to do my research, so I did my Googles. And what I have found out is that this particular opportunity, not only did they have a really strong community in it was more of a learning and teaching environment, they also had a 100% fully commissioned structure, okay? And after that, you will receive 30% residual income. So in other words, whatever you sold, it was your money straight up. It was 100% fully commissioned business. And then after that, it was a 30% residual income. So that was residual. So that really sparked my interest, right? And I also found out that this company had been around for a while, and it was like over 85% retention rate. Okay? I was like, huh. And the more I started researching, and like I said, I found out that the community was closer, and it was more of a training, sharing type community. Everything that I was looking for, okay? Like totally. And so I said, hey, this is exactly what I'm looking for, okay? So now that I'm in this business, who I'm looking to partner with is, someone just like me, someone that's not looking for an MLM, someone who's looking for something new, okay? And someone that's not looking to get rich quick, okay? But at the same time, someone who's not afraid to, roll up their sleeves and get to work, okay? And I'm looking for someone who's looking to plant their flag, okay? Plant their flag. Like I said, this business has been around for a while, so I'm looking for somebody who's also trying to build something, somebody who's trying to build a retirement in, okay? And so what I have to offer people who want to join me, okay, is what I have to offer is a private Facebook support group, okay, and instant access to a 7-day attraction marketing boot camp, okay, that's going to get you off the ground and running on day one, okay, and also teach you how to market yourself so people will want to join your business, okay? And also, the founder of our team, okay, is a copywriter, so you will have instant access to swipe copy files, email templates, and plenty of content creation tips and plenty of bonuses, okay? Now, let me say this. I don't know if this is the right fit for you, but if anything that I said has resonated with you, just click the link below this video, okay? And it'll take you straight to a presentation, okay? Now, like I said, I don't want to push you into this or anything like that, but if after the presentation, you like what you see or whatever, just let me know and I can get you squared away, okay? And that's the end of my presentation, and I know your time is very short, and if you stayed around to the end of this video, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later, and bye-bye for now.